Welcome to the Evolved HR channel. I'm going to elaborate today the step-by-step process how to become an HR in Dubai. We have recommended list of books for the new managers, HR generalists. Please check the description box. Let's start now. In case you want training on how to be an HR professional in Dubai, comment training and the team will reach out to you for the schedule. Let's understand why the UAE or Dubai for your career. UAE is a global business hub attracting talent from over 200 nationalities. For HR professionals, this means navigating a rich cultural landscape and implementing global best practices. With tax free salaries and career growth, Dubai is an HR paradise. So, is it an absolute rule? Do I have to be in Dubai to even apply for an HR job? No, it's not a locked door. But think of it like this. Applying from outside Dubai is like sending a fantastic resume to a busy manager. Applying from inside Dubai is walking into their office, shaking their hand, and saying, I'm ready to start next week. Which candidate feels more immediate and real to them? That makes sense. But companies hire internationally all the time, right? Absolutely, and that's your path. If you're outside, large multinational corporations are your best bet. They have the budgets and processes to handle visas and relocation for the right talent. But the competition is global, and they often prefer candidates who already understand the Gulf work culture. Another question is what if I'm not a senior director at a global firm? Then your strategy changes. For most early to mid career roles, especially in local companies or SMEs, being physically in Dubai is a game changer. Employers here love candidates who are available, accessible, and immediately joinable. It drastically reduces their risk and hassle. A job seeker visit visa exists precisely for this reason. So, what's the bottom line advice for someone? Here's your cheat sheet. If you're applying from abroad, target large multinationals, highlight your unique expertise in your CV, and be ready to brilliantly answer. Why Dubai? In video interviews, patience is key. If you're applying from Dubai, your number one job is networking. Get on a job seeker visa, message local HR managers for coffee, and attend industry events. Your physical presence is your biggest asset. So, it's about choosing the right battlefield. Exactly. You can win from afar, but you're playing on hard mode. Being on the ground flips the script in your favor. It's the difference between sending an invitation and showing up at the party ready to contribute. Before moving to Dubai, ensure you have the right qualifications. Most HR roles require a degree in HR or related fields. Consider certifications like CIPD or SHRM to boost your credentials. For practical knowledge and guidance, we have a full tutorial. You can follow us. OR comment training to get the module. Develop market relevant skills, both technical and soft. Let's talk about what really matters if you want to crush it in HR in Dubai. First up, hard skills. These are your ticket in. Know UAE labor law inside out. It's the rule book. If you don't know it, you're out before you start. It's not just compliance, it's about protecting the company and solving problems fast. We have a full video on UAE labor laws. Check the description box. Get fluent in HR tech. Paper files, gone. Today it's Oracle HCM, SAP SuccessFactors, and if you know Biza, that's a local edge. Show you speak the digital language. Master global hiring. Dubai is a melting pot, 200 plus nationalities. It's not just about finding talent, it's about finding the right cultural fit for diverse teams. Design smart compensation packages. Here, salaries come with perks, housing, flights, tax free benefits. You're not just offering a job, you're crafting a lifestyle. Now, here's the truth hard skills get you the interview, but soft skills seal the deal. Cultural intelligence, build trust across cultures and calendars. Adaptability and resilience. Laws change, markets shift overnight. Stay calm, stay agile. Influence and communication. Be the bridge between leadership and global teams. Clarity and empathy win every time. Knowledge of UA labor law and HRI's platforms is crucial. Cross-cultural communication and adaptability are key to thriving in Dubai's fast-paced environment. Research the job market thoroughly. Key sectors hiring HR professionals include hospitality, finance, healthcare, and technology. Understanding these sectors will guide your job search effectively. Optimize your resume with UAE-focused keywords like multicultural workforce management. Highlight achievements with metrics and keep it concise. A professional photo is standard practice in the region. You can get your professional CV, check the description box. Build a compelling LinkedIn profile. Use a professional headshot and join relevant groups. Engage with UA based HR thought leaders to enhance your visibility and network. Utilize primary job platforms like LinkedIn and BAT.com. Direct applications to company career pages can also be effective. Networking is crucial. Attend HR conferences and join professional associations. Timing is everything. Research shows applications submitted on Tuesday mornings have the highest visibility. Stay proactive and strategic in your job search efforts. Prepare for common interview stages from initial screenings to final leadership interviews. Understand UAE labor law fundamentals and prepare examples of handling multicultural challenges. Once you secure a job, your employer will sponsor your employment visa. Plan for accommodation, cost of living, and healthcare. Understanding these logistics is crucial for a smooth transition. In your first 90 days, focus on building relationships and understanding company processes. Identify a mentor and demonstrate value quickly through quick wins. Adapt to cultural and workplace dynamics. Embrace the diverse environment and show cultural intelligence. This adaptability will set you apart in Dubai's HR landscape. Pursue continuous professional development. Consider advanced certifications and specialize in areas like Emiratization or HR analytics. Stay updated on legal compliance and expand your network. Explore potential career trajectories from HR generalist to HR director. Consulting paths are also viable. Ensure your contributions are recognized and documented for career growth. Understand digital transformation in HR. Embrace AI and advanced analytics for talent management. Mobile first HR solutions are becoming essential in Dubai's tech savvy environment. Learn about emiratization and workforce nationalization. Understand quota requirements and training programs for UAE nationals. These initiatives are key to HR success in Dubai. Focus on employee well-being and experience. Progressive organizations emphasize mental health support and flexible work arrangements. These strategies enhance employee satisfaction and retention. By following this roadmap, you will build a thriving HR career in Dubai. Success requires a balance of technical expertise, cultural intelligence, and adaptability. Your journey in this dynamic city starts now. Take the first step today. Assess your qualifications, update your professional materials, and begin your targeted job search with confidence. Dubai's skyline was built on ambition. Your HR career can be too.